a little curve. There's like a little curve, you see? A little bit, not too much. You see it or no? It's like this. It's not straight, you know. It's like a little curve. So when you put here, it's gonna match perfect. Look. See? 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 It's gonna match perfect. You see? See? Did you see? See? Nice, flat, good, flat, good, nice, beautiful, good, flat, nice, flat, flat, good, good, flat, flat. You have to cut it, make a new flat one, then you recut it again, you know, to fit the handle. When I weld it to shrink, you know, the metal, you understand what I mean? Too many times we are welding it, you know. Weld this piece, then weld that thing here, then weld the, you know, the handle bracket. But now, it looks good, you know, looks straight, nice, everything is okay. Take it and bag it. This temper is longer, you know, I don't know. Look, like this, right? This is not. So the temper is too long, yeah. It's about maybe quarter of inch long. So stuff like this, you know, requires attention to detail.
We are right now going through a Pimp My Raed tutorial right now. He's doing the Kindig-It Design Door handle, and any exclusive Raed on is going to be the Pimp My Ride Raed segment. Okay, so this is what we're doing right now. This is beyond the body work. This is beyond his typical painted body. This is more of the pimpish, you know, extraterrestrial additions, you know, that he's doing. You know, out of this world. That's right. You heard me right. Extraterrestrial. Let's go. Who want to get their ride pimped by Raed?
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
I got an actual Allen key.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, I found one of them. Right there, yeah. It's perfect, yeah.
See, sometimes you got to bring our energy together. You know, you can coexist well alone, but when you gang and you nuke well with good people, look what happens.
I don't know.
It's my new partner, man. We're going to announce it live on YouTube, man. I done made Raed my partner, man. He's such a good guy. He had my back, you know, so he's responsible for 2/3 of the rent. So you know, he might get a little more frustrated now. So y'all stay tuned.
There we go. Without nothing and straight, you know, you see? Just to make it happen, yeah, just make it happen, yeah, just to make it happen, yeah, just by here and weld it. And look, the thickness of the metal is double than the thickness of this door. Double. Look, you can see how thick it is. You see the thickness?
Yeah.
Of the metal.
Yeah.
Look here, look at the thickness of this metal here. That's why it cracks, everywhere. Look how cracked here. You see it crack. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a crack right there. Why? Because the metal is not thick enough, That's the old one, right? Look how thin the metal is. You see how thin? The metal is thin. That's why when this was welded here, we had a lot of cracks. We reinforced this area to be able to get or to afford this impact of like getting, lock and unlock the door. That's number one. And number two, we make it look the same notch, the same, Then we're gonna weld this right there. When you weld it, you feel like, it's part of the door, it's not like fabricated.
So this is what he's doing right now. In order to make the Kindig-It Design door handles work, you have to use a different door latch. They don't sell the old latches. So you want to have a brand new latch, a brand new striker, but it required for him to rebuild and mount, because obviously the mounts, bolts for the latch is in different locations on the new one. It's a more narrower base on the new one. So, but it did have us the angle pitch to make the functionality out of the handle. It also gave us a better, his was rotted out here and it was broken in some of the areas where some people tried to fix it once we stripped it down. So he got a whole new base plate of metal going in, as well as the striker location. The striker location has to be different as well, and we want to also make it functional. We want to have your adjustability where if you want to adjust the door in or out, you can. So we want it just like factory, but maybe a little better. That's what we're doing. If you come in on this door, you can look at this one where he actually already got it cut out, pretty much opened up, ready to go. So now we create whatever we would like in the door jamb. So it goes back to the guy that asked about the AC. Sometimes when you're building these cars, ingenuity requires you to do everything from scratch. The good thing about it, we got guys like Raed and Mr. Chris that have the ability to fabricate and make it work when you say it can't work. So it's a little bit more time. Once we got into it and we did the latch, we realized why it's not a lot of donks with this latch, because of all of the stuff that you got to do to it to make the latch work. Not only saying I'm finna pay $750 for a pair of latches too, so I see why, but when we're done with it, when Raed gets to the next phase of body work and painting it, and when everything lays all the way out, I guarantee you'll realize why I suggested the latches in the first place, not knowing that it was also going to handle the issues that we had within the door jamb, from the weld line that was broken, a couple things that he noticed. So as well as the latch, they don't make the latches anymore, so we got a brand new latch going in. The customer will have brand new latches when he leaves. So, but just know, whatever latch you use, you dictate it. If you're building a jamb, like Red's building a whole new jamb, so he could dictate whatever latch. We used a particular latch that had it gave us the best angle for functionality of it. It's a couple things, not to get in it too deep. I don't want to give away my guys' secrets, but in order for all of the things to line up and be functionality, it had to have a certain angle to it. The one that we chose worked well for us. If you go with a Kindig-It Design Door handle, we're authorized dealer, guys. Don't forget that. If you need us, we got you. You can order through us. But if you choose a different one, or you have a different vehicle,
and the mechanism on their door latch might work different, you know, you would have to dictate. I don't want to send you and say, get this latch. This is the latch that work best for us with our creativity. You know, you might see something different. It might be on a different car. But we're showing you the meat and potato of what's going on, how he did it, you know, the mindset, the psychological that went into it. Now you fill in the blanks.
VTSV Auto, what y'all thought, man? Y'all better don't tell nobody, man. We the baddest out. Don't tell nobody.
VTSV Auto. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, man.